So I went ahead and picked up a set of Godspeeds locally. Those are the Godspeed intercoolers that you find on eBay, whether they're Godspeed, Rev9, whatever brand, they're all the same thing. Shout out to Giovanni, he gave me a good price on these. I've known him for a while, he's a good friend of mine, also a Z owner, and also a Slick Top owner. And today, we're gonna hopefully see if we can improve our cooling system. The other thing too is when I had side mounts, I used to have a aluminum or a sheet metal piece of tray that used to kind of curve underneath the bumper and the nose panel, and it would basically force all of the air entering through here to go through the condenser, and that helped quite a bit too. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, try not to roast me too bad, but in the meantime I'm gonna be running zip ties to hold the intercoolers up. I ordered my brackets already that go right here, but this is, you know, just temporary. Now that we've removed the front mount, our AC can get pretty good airflow to it, our AC condenser. The other thing too is when I did have to tow my car, you know, it mounts up right here, the crash bar would push up against the front mount, and the front mount would push up against these AC lines, and I wasn't too comfortable with that because, you know, I felt like any little bump on the road might rupture one of the lines or something, and the AC system's pretty new, so I don't want to trash that up. But yeah, this is where we're at so far. Looks pretty good.